Endagaano zitirwaho omukono zigenderire kwinegeza enkoragana hagati y'amahanga ga omu by'oburambuzi, eby'obuhingi, obujubi n'oburiisa, eby'entaasya hamwe n'eby'obushuubuzi. Barikugambaho n'abanyamakuru, President Yoweri Museveni asiimire enkoragana eri hagati y'amahanga aga Afrika.
They left undone what they ought to have done, and they did that they ought not have done, and there is no truth in them. I don't know where they got it in the Bible, but it is in the prayer book.
No, it is in the Bible.
In the Bible also? The bishop has told you. Now, this is really the big problem of Africa. And you young people, when I see people doing all sorts of things, arguing and so on, I wait to hear for the content. What are they arguing about? When they are talking about small things. But the big thing is modern economies are built on production of goods and services.
President Museveni najirangwaka nukokire amahanga ga Afrika okutaho enkora eragahwere okumaraho ebizibu ebitwire n'ebicumbagiza entunguka ey'amahanga ago.
But when you produce goods and services, the next question is who buys what you produce? So the issue of the producers and the consumers is at the center of a modern economy. So therefore, when you see people, leaders, whatever they are, just talking about all other things, this one, why are you not talking about the market? Nani atanunua bidhaa zako? If you don't answer that and you say you are a leader, then there are serious issues. So therefore, here I can see that we are waking up to talk about the market of East Africa.
Omu bigambo bye, President William Ruto owa Kenya asiimire enkoragana eri hagati ya Uganda hamwe na Kenya kandi aina amasiko mingi ngu neija kwongera ahantunguka ey'amahanga gombi.
This occasion reflects the strength and historical partnership between our two nations, anchored in common ideals, deep respect, and shared ambition for regional stability and progress. Kenya and Uganda are joined together not only by geographical proximity, but also by a long-standing spirit of brotherhood and mutual support within the East African community.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo ahabwa TV West.